Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you will find apps, click on it. You come to next step here, and there you're looking for WordPress app, or just click on search. Then here add WordPress, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, click here on for shop, click on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, and here you will search for WordPress. It's going to show for you like this. You will find the update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.